Okay, everybody loves mayo, right? But we know that it's bad for us. Like, because what the store does to it, they use the seed oils, preservatives, all that nasty stuff in it. So we get away from mayo, but we love it and we want to make a healthier version of that. We love to take things that you love to taste and then actually do a healthier version of it so we can get the health benefits and the taste, the flavor too. So she just watched a recipe that I told her to check out from Thomas DeLauer, and we're going to do this off of her memory. So I was listening to the ingredients. I think I have them all here, but we're going to kind of show this in real time.
Exactly. So, hopefully I remember.
Right. First ingredient.
So we have 3 large eggs. You just want the yolk part.
Just the yolks, if you can see them in there. See how pretty those are. Oh, wow.
Preferably eggs that are cage-free. The good brown eggs.
Yeah, the omega-3s, all the good stuff.
High in omega-3s.
But if you can't get that stuff, do what you got to do.
Pasture raised. Yeah, do what you got to do. Either way, it's all good. What? And we wanted 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. We use the Primal Kitchen, the organic Dijon mustard. You can find that like at Sprouts. This is a really good mustard.
So do I put it in here?
Yes, I'm just letting them know what mustard we're using. It's a good one. Okay, yes, put it in there.
Just stick it in there, right in the eggs?
Put it in there.
So we're going to do it right there. And then it drops down in there. And then, you know what I think would be awesome is if you can because do I start blending it now?
Yes, you're going to blend it. Okay.
Yeah. So if you can grab the camera and then we can just, oh, wow, that's good.
All right.
Okay, so just go for it, right?
Matt's going to hand mix it.
Just go on the small one.
Sure.
Again, here we go.
Yeah. You can whisk it, but you'll be there for some time. So let's see. Or you can use a, professional mixer.
A professional?
We got the professional right here.
This is the big trick here because I've done mayonnaise before and I only got it right one time. There's something that needs to happen here, like the emulsification process, right? And so once we get it blended up that way, what's next?
So what you want to do now is you want to get a cup of oil, preferably avocado oil would be the best oil, or an olive oil. You definitely want to stay away from your conventional canola or vegetable oil, right? So the key here is to simply put it in slowly.
Slowly, huh?
Slowly. So that's what I'm going to do.
So it should start looking like mayonnaise, huh?
Yeah, slowly.
Think I should go faster?
Yeah, I was going to say up the speed. There you go. We're slowly going to put the oil in there.
Oh, there, it's starting to go a little bit.
It's starting to emulsify. It's looking good. I know you guys can't see it, but maybe we should do this here. All right. Slowly putting in this oil. I feel like I'm doing it right. I don't know.
This is the big trick.
This is our first time really making a mayo.
You watched how he poured it in, huh?
Yeah, slowly. I feel like he poured it in quicker than I'm putting it in, but I'm just letting it kind of mix up a little bit and then add a little bit more.
You just said slowly add the mayo. Slow. Okay. Oh, it's turning nice and starting to go wider and creamier.
Looking nice. Okay.
Oh, wow. Pretty. It's getting creamy.
It looks really pretty. You see?
So this is the second time I've ever been successful in making mayo. Look at that.
Yeah, it's looking really nice. Okay. Oh, sorry, I put it on a different side here.
That's so cool.
It's looking good. Slowly put it in there. Almost there.
Wow. That's it.
Okay, so that's it for the oil. Okay, keep going. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab the salt.
Okay. I'll show this to you. Check that out. That's so cool. It made such a creamy like mayo there.
It's
Like
looking really
when
good.
I messed it up in the past, what happens is like it doesn't mix up and then it just becomes this sloppy, oily mess. But it's really cool that it became this thing. And so he said add the salt afterward. Is
Yeah.
that right? Okay. He said because if you add the salt before, what happens is it breaks the emulsification process and it messes it up. And then he said at this point you can add pepper. He added avocado. This is where you can start to flavor it. You can make it like a spicy mayo. You can put paprika. You can add anything that you want.
Cayenne pepper, whatever. So I'm
a little more?
he said about a teaspoon of salt. So, you know, salt it how you like.
Salt the hell out of it is what I like to say because I like salt. I'm a salty guy.
Oh, also lemon juice.
And lemon juice.
So you want
how
a
much did he say to
teaspoon?
add? A teaspoon? Okay.
Teaspoon?
It's right there. And that was the last
Oh,
bit,
this
right?
is the egg whites. No.
Where's it's
lemon?
right there.
Oh, it's right here. Okay. So we're going to put some lemon, fresh squeezed
Just
lemon
get the
juice.
teaspoon right there. The teaspoon is, where did I put it?
I don't know. It doesn't matter. It's okay. I can
Just
eyeball it.
You can eyeball it? Okay.
You can also put lemon zest in it too.
Okay. Cool.
I think that was about a teaspoon.
Yeah.
He also put avocados in there.
Yeah.
Did you want some avocado?
No, I think I'm going to go like this, just plain first. And ultimately, that's it, right? We're done?
Did you want pepper in it? Some pepper?
I think we can just
Let's just
show
try
them.
it. Let's try it.
Well, take it right up there and you can see what it looks like. It has this like creamy, beautiful color to it.
Yeah.
Can I? Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That is so good.
Yeah, it's pretty good. I feel like it's missing something. I just don't know what it's missing.
That's really good.
Maybe some avocado actually would be really good.
So that's it. So we actually successfully did that. What we'll do is we'll post this in the group. If we're posting this like on our page and you haven't joined our group, we'll put a link in there to join the group. Otherwise, if you're in the group, now you know how to make one of the best foods that we all really kind of love, mayonnaise, in a healthy fashion. And then you don't have to feel bad about eating it. It's good for your skin. It's good for your body. It's got all that healthy, good oils in it. So you don't have to feel bad about adding it to your salmon, tuna, whatever you're making with the base. Like we can even use this to make ranch dressing, you know, for awesome salads and stuff. So hope you like it.
All right.
Enjoy.
Good job.